Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering essentials: your PNR or booking ID, the payment method used, and a quick check of refund rules for your fare. Open the official Rail app or website and sign in using your account credentials. Once logged in, navigate to My Bookings or Orders and locate the specific train reservation. Make sure you are on a secure network and that your app is updated. This first step gets you directly to the booking that you will cancel now. You now tap into the booking details and choose Cancel or Manage Booking. Read the cancellation summary carefully. It shows fees, any minimum charge, and the net refundable amount. If you can cancel individual passengers or berths, select them now. Partial cancellations often change the refund calculation. Once done, confirm that refund will return to the original payment method and note the estimated processing time. Make sure to take a screenshot of the cancellation summary before you proceed to confirmation. You complete the process by confirming the cancellation. The system will show a cancellation reference or ticket status update immediately. You should receive an email or SMS confirmation. Save that and any transaction ID. Then monitor the refund status in the app's transactions section and your bank or card statement within the stated timeline. If the refund does not appear after the promised period, contact customer support with your cancellation reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.